Hello, so it's quite rare that I do an unboxing, and today is a bit of a different one. I've bought something from AliExpress to go with this, and it's not something I would highly recommend necessarily buying, because obviously when you're converting these types of watches, obviously they have a resin body, and you don't want to be using something which is going to affect the strength or rigidity or cause it to damage, So I wouldn't, obviously this is more of a warning, I suppose, not to necessarily, buy these things for your watch and think that they're going to be as protective as the original strap and bezel. So that's just my warning to you with these sort of things. So let's see what we've got. I didn't want to go for a typical G-Shock metal sort of bezel and strap, because unfortunately I find that the end links, the first end links, are very tight, very wide and won't bend, so they sort of look a bit weird on my wrist. So this I saw and I thought actually it could be quite interesting. I'm not keen on the screws necessarily. That's fairly well packaged. It's got a couple of screwdrivers here. I'm going through the pack there, and some screws. And we've got this. Let's take this out. I will speed this bit up for you, so you don't have to see all the unwrapping. So I'll speed this up in a sec, or I will switch back. Probably be better. I'll do that, and we'll come back to you in a minute. Now, it's quite an unusual one. They've gone with obviously sort of a Royal Oak-esque style bezel with the screw inserts. I'll be honest, I'm not the biggest fan of those. I'd love it if it was all sort of brushed out. And just looking in the back here inside, we can see that there are some, I don't know if you can see that on the camera, some little holes around the bezel. I'm wondering if I could just get somebody to drill those out and then get someone to micro weld those little pieces in and sand it down, but I'm not sure if it's worth the hassle of doing this. Now, I picked this up from AliExpress for just under £40, including delivery. That was on the 11/11. They're still around sort of £40. The strap itself, from what I can see, it looks pretty decent actually. It's more of a Nautilus almost type, but I think it's actually a bit more similar to the one on the Bell & Ross. I can't remember which number it is. I'll put that up on screen. Sorry, excuse me. Now, it looks pretty decent if you ask me. I think the polishing looks nice on it. The chamfered edges look great. It's got a pressed Milanese style clasp. Doesn't look too bad actually. It's not too thick a strap either, which is quite nice. So I'm going to take this away. I'm going to resize it because it's probably too big for my wrist at the moment. I haven't measured. And then we'll see it. I'll come back and show you it once it's all done. Okay.